Hello guys, today I have the Yamaha TW-E5B earbuds, and I'm going to show you how you can easily rename your earbuds in your Android phone. The first thing that you need to do is here open the settings. Once you tap that, you need to open connections. If you're on some other device than Samsung, select connected devices. Now tap Bluetooth. And here tap this info or gear icon near your device. Here, somewhere in this menu, you should see an option called rename. In Google Pixel phone, it's here near the name, but in the Samsung, it's here in the top bottom left corner. Once you see that, and you need to tap it, and now here you will see rename and your name. You can perform here any change you want. Add some letter, delete some letters, add some text, delete some text, add some emotes, delete some emotes, etc. And now, once you're done, just tap rename. Here, I need to bring back our name to the default one, so let me delete these marks here. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.